Children, now we will study about multiples. What are multiples? The multiples of any counting number are obtained on multiplying this counting number by the counting numbers 1, 2, 3, 4. For example, the multiples of 3 are 3 into 1 that is 3, 3 into 2 that is 6, 3 3 ja 9, 3 4 ja 12. So 3, 6, 9, 12 all are the multiples of 3. So we can say that the numbers which are coming in their table by multiplying the number with 1, 2, 3, 4 are the multiples of that number. Now here it is given an exercise. Let us make it more clear by solving this exercise questions. In this, what we have to do, write the first four multiples of the given number. So first number is given to us 2. So the first multiple of 2 will be 2 1 ja 2, 2 2 ja 4. The next multiple will be 2 3 ja 6. Next multiple will be 2 4 ja 8. So like this we are writing the multiples of each number. Now in second one we have to write the multiples of 5. So we will read out the table for 5. 5 1 ja 5. So first 5 is the first multiple of 5. Then second multiple will be 5 2 ja 10. Third multiple will be 5 3 ja 15. Then 5 4 ja 20. Then 3 multiples we are writing. 3 1 ja 3, 3 2 ja 6, 3 3 ja 9, 3 4 ja 12. Then for 9 we are writing the multiples. 9 1 ja 9, 9 2 ja 18, 9 3 ja 27, 9 4 ja 36. So like this we are writing the multiples of any of the numbers. Now let us start our exercise self practice 5C. In this our first question is write the product. Now we have to multiply the given numbers, then we have to write the product in the box given. Now first one is already done here. First one is 2 5 ja 10. Now next one is 5 9 ja 45. 6. So we have to read out the table for that, then we have to write the answer. Now 6 5 ja 30. So we are writing here 30. 9 8 ja 72. So we are writing here 72. We just have to read out the table and we have to write the answer. 7 7 ja 49. So we will write here 49. 6 9 ja 54. So we are writing over here 54. Now G1 7 5 ja 35. 8 0 ja 0. Whenever we are multiplying any number with 0, we are getting the answer 0 only. 8 8 ja 64. 10 5 ja 50. 7 9 ja 63. So we are writing over here 63. Now 4 7 ja 28. So we are writing over here 28. Then 0 5 ja 0 only. So we will write 0 here. 6 6 ja 36. So we are writing 36 over here. 6 10 ja 60. So we are writing 60 over here. Now 5 questions, that is P Q R S and T. I am giving you homework. Just you read out their tables and write the answers. So try to solve it by yourself. Now we are moving to next question. Our question number 2 is write the correct number in the circle. Now A1 is 7 6 ja 42. Now the missing number we have to fill it out. Now 8 into dash equals to 48. Now which number we are multiplying to 8 so that we can get the answer 48. So for this we have to read out the table for 8. 8 1 ja till 48 we are reading out. 8 1 ja 8, 8 2 ja 16, 8 3 ja 24, 8 4 ja 32, 8 5 ja 40, 8 6 ja 48. Now 8 6 ja 48 as we have said, so we are writing 6 over here. 8 6 ja 48. Then C1 5 and equals to 15. 5 into dash equals to 15. So we have to read out the table for 5. 5 1 ja 5, 5 2 ja 10, 5 3 ja 15. Now how much times 15 comes? 5 3 ja 15. So we are writing 3 over here. Now D1 6 into multiply what, so that we can get 0 in the answer. So any number which we are multiplying with 0 we are getting 0 only. So 6 zeros are 0 only. So we are writing over here 0. Now E1 dash into 5 equals to 40. Now which number we are multiplying to 5 so that we can get answer 40. So again we will read out the table for 5 for this. 5 till 40. 5 1 ja 5, 5 2 ja 10, 5 3 ja 15, 5 4 ja 20, 5 5 ja 25, 5 6 ja 30, 5 7 ja 35, 5 8 ja 40. Now it comes 5 8 ja 40, so we are writing 8 over here. 8 5 ja 40, 5 8 ja 40 or 8 5 ja 40, it's same only. So we have, that's why we have read the table for 5. Now in F1 dash into 8 equals to 24. Now how much time we are multiplying, which number we are multiplying to 8, so that we can get the answer 24. So 8 1 ja 8, 8 2 ja 16, 8 3 ja 24. So we are writing over here 3 8 ja 24. Now 10 into what number we are multiplying to 10, so that we can get 10 in the answer. So it's 1 only. 10 1 ja 10. So we are writing 1 over here. Now dash into 6 equals to 54. Now how much time we are multiplying 6 to which number, so that we can get 54 in our answer. So we will read out the table for this for 6 till 54 is coming. 6 1 ja 6, 6 2 ja 12, 6 3 ja 18, 6 4 ja 24, 6 5 ja 25, 6 6 ja 36, 6 7 ja 42, 6 8 ja 48, 6 9 ja 54. Now 6 9 ja 54 is coming, so we are writing 9 over here. So 9 6 ja also 54 only. Then I1 3 into which number, so that we can get 18. We have to read out the table for 3 now till 18 comes. 3 1 ja 3, 3 2 ja 6, 3 3 ja 9, 3 4 ja 12, 3 5 ja 15, 3 6 ja 18. So we are writing over here 6. So 3 6 ja 18. Like this we will fill up our questions. Now in third question, what we have to do? Write the 10 multiples of. Now we have to write the 10 multiples of the number given, but with the situation it is given. In A1 the situation is given to us 4 between 10 and 15. We have to write the multiples, 10 multiples of 4 between 10 and 50. Means 4, we have to write the multiples of 4 which are coming between 10 and 50. So 4 1 ja 4, we will read out the table for 4. 4 1 ja 4, but it is below than 10, so we will not write. 4 2 ja 8, that is also below than, less than 10, so we will not write. Now 4 3 ja 12. Now 12 is coming between 10 and 50, so we will write 12 over here. Then 4 4 ja 16, so we are writing 16 over here. 4 5 ja 20, so we will write 20 over here. 4 6 ja 24, so we will write 24. 4 7 ja 28, 4 8 8 ja 32, 4 9 ja 36, 4 10 ja 40, 4 11 ja 44, 4 12 ja 48. Now next number will be 52, but we have to write till up to 50 only, so we will stop here only. Now our multiples are 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. 10 multiples only we have to write, so our multiples are completed. Now we are moving to B question. Now in B question we have to write the multiples of 7 which are coming between 15 and 85. So 7 1 ja 7. Now it is less than 15, we will not write. 7 2 ja 14, that is also less than 15, we will not write. 7 3 ja 21, so we will write 21. 7 4 ja 28, 7 5 ja 35, 7 6 ja 42, 7 7 ja 49, 7 8 ja 56, 7 9 ja 63, 7 10 ja 70, 7 11 ja 77, 7 12 ja 84. Now we have to write till 85 only. So this is our last multiple. How much we have written? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. So our 10 multiples are completed. So like this we are adding the multiples of